So today's topic is issues and challenges of natural language processing. There are three main types. The first one is irregularity. It refers to the situations where certain word or word forms do not follow regular pattern or rules. See, we call it irregularity because it is not regular, so it is not going to follow regular pattern or rules. So this creates difficulty for algorithms that depend on fixed patterns. If A is an algorithm that thinks for past tense we just have to add ed, it has a fixed pattern. But for some words like go, it has to become went for the past tense, so it is irregular. So we have two irregularities. One is tensing irregularity and another one is plural irregularity. So in regular verbs we have walk, walked, laugh, laughed, jump, jumped, etc. In irregular verbs we have go, went, eat, ate, see, saw. Basically these are irregular. And in regular plurals we have cat, cats, book, books, pen, pens. We can have S words and ES words and maybe IES also, like baby becomes babies. And for irregular plurals, we have child become children, man, men, woman, women, like that. Okay. The next one is ambiguity. So ambiguity is nothing but a word or sentence has multiple meanings or interpretations. See, if I say bank, then it can be a financial bank or a river bank. So that is nothing but ambiguity. A word or sentence that has multiple meanings. Words may look the same. See, the spelling of bank is same, right? B-A-N-K, B-A-N-K. But it has different meanings or functions. It creates problems in language processing. See, if I gave a sentence that has ambiguity, then my ChatGPT might not understand it, like AI might not understand it. So it creates problems in language processing. So we have 5 types in it. The first one is word sense ambiguity, which is nothing but meaning depends on the context, like bank can be financial bank or river bank, like we discussed earlier. Next one is part of speech ambiguity, which means same word used as different parts of speech. See, if I say I run, I can run, I run. Here run is a verb. He went for a run. Here run is a noun. So parts of speech ambiguity. It's nothing but it has different parts of speech. Next is structural ambiguity. It can also be called as syntactic ambiguity. So in this, a sentence can have multiple grammatical structures. Same sentence can be interpreted in different ways depending on the structure. It's like for example, if I say I saw a man with a telescope, it can mean that I am holding a telescope and watching a man, or it can mean that I'm watching a man that has a telescope, right? It has two different interpretations. So a sentence can have multiple grammatical structures. This is what is structural ambiguity. And the next one is, let's first discuss this, pragmatic ambiguity. Pragmatic ambiguity means we have to understand the intention. See, computer should understand the intention in this. Intended meanings depend on the context or speaker intent. If I say you should avoid alcohol, it can either be advice or command depending on the context. So that is what pragmatic ambiguity is. So a subset or subtype of pragmatic ambiguity is referential ambiguity, which means it has unclear reference, like usually pronouns. If I use he or she in a sentence, it is not clear who it is being referred to. If I use two nouns of the same gender within a sentence, and in the next sentence if I use he or she, then it will be confusing, right? For which name are we using that he or she? So that is about referential ambiguity. The third main type is productivity. So it is nothing but the ability to create new words using existing rules. So basically ability to create new words. So using the existing words, we are creating new words. For example, Google is a noun, right? We might say I'm googling it right now, or Google it as if it's a verb, or so I'm googling it right now. We use words like that. Googler, Googleable. I don't think we use these much, but we use googling word, right? Yeah. So we're creating new words using the existing words. It shows that how language keeps growing by forming new words. So this is about issues and irregularities in natural language processing. Thank you.